I'm just so good, baby.
Pero bago mo sabihin yun, lalayo muna kami. The views of the opinions of the candidates. Ginawa sa Calabash, the views and opinions of those. The show ever
Ever since magkabata po, gusto ko po talaga siya. Lalo na po nung nakikita ko na yung confidence ko sa field. Mas lalo ko po talaga siya mag-inspire. Opo. Ngayon po, tanggap ko na po na magte-training ako and gagalingin ko pag ano na po.
Hindi ka first year college, no?
Iba yung tapang na meron.
Yes po, gusto ko po talaga.
Hirap yun eh.
Kung regaluhan mo ang kaibigan mong single ng Valentine's Day, ang ibibigay ni Sir Pineda. Ano ito?
Thank you po. Ang ibibigay ko po sa walang tinidor niya sa Valentine's is flowers. Kasi po yung flowers po is like, kasi ang dami po nagsisiguro na to. For example po is yung sa princess, like, ano po yung pagmamahal. So yung nagdadaan sa kanya is yung flowers, parang hindi ako nag-iisa po siya sa Valentine's. Ay, ako po kasi sabi natin Valentine's is hindi siya about sa, pero magawa ko nag-isip sa dahil sa Valentine's is kailangan po. Salamat.
Congratulations to both of you. So yung comical about candidate number 1, Julia, 19, right? You're 19 years old, pero already so beautiful. Also, tignan on stage, also looking at the monitor, I think you're so pretty. I think that's one thing we both have in common.
Nakikas lang talaga.
Of course, you guys also have it that makes you more sexier. So good luck and congratulations. Chelsea, ikaw naman, David,
congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Mahirap yung ginagawa nyo kasi ako dito nahihiya. So, naabangan ko yung preparation behind this. Kaya sigurado sa inyo kaya pa ito. So, congratulations. Ang bibigyan ko ng comment ay si Yasmin. You are from Pampanga, no? You are 21 years old. First of all, I love your mindset na you have a goal. Tapos lahat ginagawa ko para ma-reach mo yung goal mo. And like, since 16 years old ka pa lang tumutulong ka na sa mom mo. So I really love that. Ang ganda nung talagang gumagawa ka ng way. Like, nag-live selling ka. It just means na gusto mo talaga ma-reach yung goal mo and para makatulong sa mom mo. So, good job.
Thank you, David. At yung naman kakomento mo, Jurado Jason Blake. So, Julia and Yasmin. First for Julia, I saw that you have such a smooth entrance, and I can see that you enjoy what you're doing and you're comfortable in what you're doing. It shows in the way you stand and the way you talk sa mga hosts. So, I want to say na kahit mahirap yung see na ang ganda pa rin ng output mo sa buhay. Good luck. And number 2, si Yasmin naman. I can see na one of the crown shows you made for this.
Daddy, delete it! Wait, delete it! Daddy, delete it! I left the arm up!
I will not think that you'll edit it. I will edit it.
Are you sure?
Yeah?
So you first.
Did you like that?
Yeah!
Did you like that? Because your armpit's black.